Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to change font on Instagram bio. So let's begin. So as you can see here that we are already inside our Instagram profile. So to change the font on Instagram bio, first of all, I'm going to tap on edit profile, and here I would actually copy the content that I have on my Instagram bio. We'll just simply copy this. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the Google in any browser. So in the Google, you have to search for change font style, and you will be able to see bunch of different website which you can choose whatever you prefer to choose. So I'm gonna go here with the first one, and here I'm gonna simply paste the text that we have copied from our bio, and now you will be able to see our text that we had in our bio in the different style of the fonts. So you can see all of the different options. All of them are looking pretty good. So you can choose anyone, whatever you prefer to use. So I think I'm going to go here with the first one, or we can use this one. So let's just copy this. And now we need to go back to our Instagram bio. And what we can do, we can simply remove this text, and we can simply paste the text that we have copied from there. And now you will be able to see that we have changed the font on our Instagram bio. So I'm going to simply add the space here. All right. So now let's just tap on the check icon here. Let's just go back to the profile. Now you will be able to see that we have changed the font on Instagram bio. So this is how we can do this. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.